Taking a look at games for a living. I think this thing's got huge potential for this bull run. Yeah, it's new. I think things that are new and exciting seem to do very well in crypto, especially in a bull run. All right, I'm taking a look at this really for a member. He asked me in Discord yesterday, so getting a video out here for him. So we'll take a look here at this. We're going to take a real quick look at the crypto bubbles, and then we'll get right back there to GFAL and see what's going on here. Here we go. Well, everything seems to go with Bitcoin here, but you see a few others doing differently. Fetch is ICP, hit my price target there. If you see my ICP video, we hit that thing right to the penny. Unbelievable. I had an 80% win on Jasmine and Discord this morning. Beam's doing good. All kinds of stuff going on through here. But let me see if I don't know if I think I can pull GFAL up on here. Yeah, there it is. Number 578. Market cap is 67 million. You gotta love that. $67 million market cap. Here's where you get your 100x's. Smaller market caps give you lots of room to grow. All right, the big coins take huge amounts of money to move them. The smaller cap coins move fast and they move hard. That's just a little tip, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but the smaller tokens, there's where you're going to get your big 50x's, 100x's. I think I had 1,000x on Gala Games last bull run. I bought 250,000 for $37, and it went to 84 cents. That would have been 200 grand off of a $37 investment. I did not sell the top. I wish I did. I wasn't. I was just learning how to chart. And now I'm on this thing all day long. Speaking of, if you're interested, we have a level 3 membership. We have 199 members. Thank you, members. I love you. I really do. Thank you so very, very much. Never dreamed I would have 199 members. You get 22 videos, 9 hours worth of videos to teach you how to trade, how to look for price targets for the bull run, everything I do in my videos, how to draw trend lines, how to, bullish and bearish divergence, how to use the RSI, how to use TradingView, excuse me, how to use MEXC to leverage trade. Everything is in there, all right? 9 hours worth of videos, and you get a link to our Discord membership where we're there posting trades every single day. All right, so if that's something you're interested in, please come join us. We would love to have you. All right, let's take a look at GFAL. All right, we had a trend line right up through here. Let me get my little pointer. Which one is it? You know what? I use this thing so much, and it's amazing. I just right through this stuff over here. It's unreal. But anyway, we had our trend line starting up through here. We ended up breaking that. Okay, now we're on the other side of it, and we're starting to wedge up. Okay, if you come in here on a daily and look at this thing, it's wedging up. All right. Right here, this thing's going to make a big move. All right, it's either up or down. We'll try to figure that out now. All right, you can see this wedge. That's going to give it a projected, target. Say it breaks up. We'll just look at both here, okay? If it breaks up, projected target of right around 0.052, and if it breaks down, you'd be looking at roughly a target of 0.022. Okay, now let's take a look at the RSIs and see if anything is making any sense here. Okay, number one, what I want to look at is the Fibonacci. All right, and see where we hit on this thing. Pull this over. All right, we ended up right up into that zone that I always talk about, the 618 and 702. That's your two areas that are going to tell you a lot, right? If you break through this green one, the 702 at 0.0428, if you break through it and get a close above it, that is great. That leads to breakouts. If you come up here and get rejected off of it and cannot bust back through there, that leads to breakdowns. Okay, I don't know why it's that way. The 618 and 702, you normally always, when you have a fall, let me see here. when you have a fall down like this, all right, you normally always get a bounce back up to the 618 and 702, right around there, and it makes a decision to go, or it makes a decision, comes up here and gets rejected and heads back down. One of the two, okay? But you always normally get that retracement. You can always kind of count on that. Now, this wedge forming up on the daily, the RSI, look at that, bullish, 33 and a 29, heading up. No bearish divergence down here. You got higher highs. The 3-day is bullish, a 60 and a 58. That looks great. Down here, no bearish divergence. You got higher highs. You're on top of the moving average, which is beautiful. That's what you want. You don't want to be below it. All right, here you're trying to get back up above it. We pull this up. Zoom in. Look at that. It's trying to regain that moving average, which would be very bullish for this thing. All right, the 12-hour is at the top, an 86 and an 87. If it's going to bounce, it's right on that trend line now. If it bounces off that, that's what you want. You want to see it bounce off there. The 8-hour, 46 and a 51. You can see a curve starting here. This thing is staying right near that trend line. That's what you want. The 4-hour is turned down but turned up on the RSI down here. You have this low here, and you have a higher low. Same thing up there, I believe. They're both about the same. Boy, oh boy, you almost had some bullish divergence there. The 1-hour, you got that high, lower high. See here. Lower high in the RSI, which caused this drop right here. You see this high here? Then you had a higher high on the here and a lower high on the RSI. That's what caused that, that drop there. Okay, now the 1-hour is heading up. I think this thing is going to break to the upside, quite honestly. It might play around in here for a couple days, but I honestly think this is going to break to the upside. You got the daily and the 3-day turning up. The weekly, 28, 21, just barely bearish. On the bottom down here, it is, look at it, it's turning up. So it might take a few days playing around in here, but overall, I think it's going to break to the upside towards that 5 cent level. I would keep an eye on. That would get a breakout through here, probably right back up to this trend line, And if it breaks through the 0.0428, the price target would be 0.063, 5 to 6 cents up here. So keep an eye on GFAL. The chart looks pretty decent on it. Got everything, and Bitcoin has a lot to do with everything, but looks like it could break to the upside here and head to 5 or 6 cents. So, all right, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.